Tired of missing out on TikTok and global Netflix shows, or worried about hackers on public Wi-Fi? If you're in India, a VPN is your digital Swiss Army knife. But with new laws, not all VPNs are safe anymore. Today, I'll reveal, is VPN legal in India? Why use a VPN in India? And the best VPN for India. Let's dive in. Your online freedom depends on it. Before using a VPN, you may want to know if VPN is legal in India? The answer is yes. VPN is actually legal in India. In 2022, India's Computer Emergency Response Team introduced rules requiring all VPN providers with physical servers in India to record and store user information. Although it is directed to companies, some users may be affected. But no worries, this video will recommend a VPN with a zero-log policy for you. Now let's talk about why you need to use a VPN in India. The first reason is about bypassing geo-restrictions. In India, popular platforms like TikTok, CapCut, and PUBG Mobile are no longer available because of national bans. But it doesn't stop there. Sometimes even global news sites or social media platforms are suddenly out of reach due to government censorship. With a VPN, you can virtually move your internet location to another country where these services aren't blocked. Second, VPN can help unlock streaming globally. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Amazon Prime Video all have different libraries depending on your region. That means certain movies, TV series, or even entire genres might be locked away from you just because of where you live. Want to catch up on a trending Korean drama, a British crime series, or exclusive US releases? Just change your virtual location and start watching instantly. Third, VPNs also enhance security and privacy. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in airports, coffee shops, or hotels, are convenient but notoriously unsafe. Hackers and cybercriminals often target these networks to steal personal information, such as passwords, emails, or payment details. If you work remotely, join online meetings, or do a lot of online shopping, your sensitive data can be at risk. VPN encrypts everything you send and receive, making it unreadable to anyone snooping. Last but not least, you can get the best price and save money using a VPN. Did you know that travel sites and online stores sometimes change their prices based on where you're browsing from? Airlines, hotels, and even car rental companies may charge higher rates if they detect you're searching from a wealthier country or a specific region. With a VPN, you can connect to a server in another city or country and compare prices as if you're a local shopper. So, what's the key factors about the best VPN for India? The first one is no-log policy. This is crucial for Indian users, especially with increasing data monitoring and privacy concerns. A strict no-log policy means the VPN provider isn't tracking, recording, or storing your browsing history or any personal data. Second, best VPN provides wide server selection. The more servers and locations your VPN offers, the easier it is to bypass regional blocks and access content from around the world. Next, fast speed and performance is also important. Nobody wants laggy games or endless buffering when streaming their favorite shows. A top VPN should deliver high speeds and stable performance, so you can enjoy smooth online gaming, HD streaming, and video calls without annoying interruptions or drops in connection. The last one is security features. Look for industry-standard security like AES 256 encryption, which keeps your data locked down tight. Advanced features such as a kill switch, secure protocols, and leak protection all work together to ensure your online safety. Luckily, you're watching this video, so let me recommend UFO VPN. It covers all your VPN needs. UFO VPN uses military-grade AES 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and a kill switch to prevent IP leaks. With built-in speed tests and accelerator tools, you get fast, smooth gaming and streaming. Plus, its 2,000+ servers in 50 countries let you access global content with ease. I'll show you how UFO VPN works. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN, then launch it on your device. Pick a server as you need. Finally, connect the server on your device, and you can enjoy global content. Now you're ready to bypass bans and stay super secure in India. Drop a comment if this helped, and subscribe for more tech and VPN tips.